Hi, my name's Teddy Groves and I'm going to talk about my batteries included Bayesian analysis template called Bibat. So Bibat addresses the problem that Bayesian workflow is complex. So Bayesian workflow involves comparing a statistical model with some data and then changing the model and the data in an iterative process. And this is how we used to think about Bayesian workflow in 1975. Nowadays, we think about Bayesian workflow in a much more sort of specific and complicated way. And there's a lot of structure, there's a lot of components, and there's a lot of sort of pathways through a Bayesian workflow. This is bad, or at least it causes problems, because such a complex workflow leads to errors sometimes. It takes a lot of time, and it makes people who might be considering doing a Bayesian workflow less likely to do so. So Bibat is an interactive template for Bayesian analysis projects. It automates the step of structuring the code that implements your Bayesian analysis, and it orchestrates the different components. It's batteries included, so it works straight out of the box, but it is also very general, and it allows you to implement almost any Bayesian analysis that you want. So this is how it works. You write some code, and the bits of code and the modules in it correspond to the parts of the Bayesian workflow. Then you run a single command, make analysis, and you get some results. Then you look at your results, and you edit your code, or you write some more, and then you run make analysis again. And you go round and round in this loop until you have the analysis that you want. So I'll show you how that works in practice. So Bibat depends on Copier, which is a Python application for copying templates. That's the only thing you need to install before using it. And then you run this command and you fill in a little questionnaire. Lets you choose a bunch of things. Then you end up with a folder which implements a working Bayesian analysis. So if I go into that folder, then I run this command, make analysis. Then it's going to run an example analysis for me. And I'm already in the loop. I can just proceed as shown in that diagram. So I think Bibat's great, but any project has limitations, and in the case of Bibat, that is the fact that it focuses on generality. If you have very specific needs, then other things will be better, and in this case, particularly I would consider the package Bambi. It's really great. Then Bibat emphasizes exploration, so if you're more doing exploitation, then it's not optimal. Maybe you should use a generic orchestrator. And Bibat is opinionated. If you'd like it to support your favorite Bayesian tool, then let's chat and we can make it happen. So thanks for listening. This is the place I work. It's called DTU Biosustain. This is my team, Quantitative Modeling of Cell Metabolism. Check us out on GitHub. And thanks to Novo Nordisk Foundation for funding my research and making this package possible. So thanks.